Introducing the 1956 Ford Fairlane, a true barn find with classic American styling. This vintage coupe features an automatic transmission and a 70,000-mile odometer, powered by the original Thunderbird engine. While the car is in fair condition and carries a salvage title, it holds significant restoration potential. Originally sold by the Dongeslong dealership in Colorado Springs, this Fairlane retains its historical charm. A great candidate for a classic car enthusiast ready to revive its former glory. Check the link for more details. Next up is a 1968 Oldsmobile Toronado, a front-wheel drive classic powered by its original 455 V8 engine. With 80,000 miles, this coupe runs and drives but requires brake work. The clean title vehicle has been sparingly driven over the past 2 years, making it an excellent project for someone looking to restore a true American muscle car. With a sleek design and powerful engine, this Toronado is a great investment for collectors. Check the link for more details. Here is a 1950 Mercury 8, an all-original four-door sedan waiting for the right restoration. Equipped with a low-compression flathead engine, this manual transmission vehicle currently does not run. The chrome trim is in great condition, and the body is mostly straight, though the roof requires attention. Rust has affected the floors and rockers, but this solid car is a perfect candidate for a classic custom build or a period-correct restoration. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1963 Lincoln Continental, a legendary sedan known for its suicide doors and bold design. This vehicle, sold as a project, comes with a clean title and is currently on non-operational status. The odometer reading is unknown, but its fair condition makes it a promising candidate for restoration. This classic luxury car offers a timeless aesthetic and substantial investment potential. Check the link for more detail. Next up is a 1973 Plymouth Fury, a survivor with 83,000 miles on the odometer. This rear-wheel drive coupe features an 8-cylinder engine but lacks keys and a title, though it has a New York inspection sticker and dealership records. The quarters need bodywork, and the car has minor dents, yet it remains a well-documented classic. Parked in a garage since 1999, it presents a great opportunity for restoration or as a budget-friendly entry into the hobby. Check the link for more detail. Here is a 1962 Cadillac Series 62, a two-door hardtop with classic styling and a clean title. While it runs, it is not roadworthy and will require transportation. Featuring an automatic transmission and an 8-cylinder engine, this rear-wheel drive coupe has significant potential. Ideal for someone looking to revive a true American luxury classic, this Cadillac is ready for restoration. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1941 Buick Special Sedan, a rare fastback model perfect for a custom build. This project car has a clean title and features its original body, grille, bumpers, and doors, all in good shape. The floors and firewall have been removed, and the frame has been modified for a Mustang II front end. With its unique design and solid structure, this Buick is a fantastic candidate for a hot rod conversion or restoration. Check the link for more details. Next up is a 1947 Plymouth Business Coupe, a solid vintage project with a clean title. This coupe retains almost all its original parts and features a complete running gear. The body and frame are in good condition, though the engine may be seized. A rare opportunity for classic car enthusiasts seeking a solid foundation for restoration. Check the link for more details. Here is a 1949 Packard Super 8, a 99% original classic sedan with a clean title. Registered until November 2025, this car runs, drives, and stops well, but it does require radiator repair. With a timeless design and solid mechanical condition, this Packard is a great restoration candidate or weekend cruiser. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1960 Ford Galaxy, a well-maintained sedan with a bonded title. This car runs and drives with a 292 Y-block engine and automatic transmission, but it has a high idle due to a vacuum leak. The interior needs work, and the trunk floor has rust spots. Included are new parts like headlights, tires, and a vintage AC kit. A great classic for someone willing to put in some work. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1978 Lincoln Diamond Jewel, a classic luxury cruiser that embodies style and comfort. With a striking blue exterior, this vehicle has a solid and clean presence. Under the hood, it features a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a smooth ride. The odometer reads 78,000 miles, and the car remains in good condition. While it is in stock form, a tune-up is recommended to bring out its best performance. With a clean title and rear-wheel drive, this Lincoln is a fantastic project or weekend driver. Check the link for more details. Next up is the 1974 Plymouth Scamp, a stylish and practical classic with a reliable slant-6 engine. This model is equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission, adding to its engaging driving experience. The odometer reads 122,000 miles, and the vehicle remains in good condition. Painted in a clean white exterior, it holds a timeless appeal. Registered and insured, it is ready to drive. If you're looking for a vintage compact with charm and character, this Plymouth Scamp is a great candidate. More details can be found through the provided link. Presenting the 1963 Ford Thunderbird, a true icon of American automotive history. This example features a robust 390 FE big block engine with a recent top-end rebuild, ensuring strong performance. The automatic transmission has also been rebuilt, and new power steering and suspension components have been installed. With 108,000 miles on the odometer, this Thunderbird remains in excellent condition. The white exterior accentuates its sleek and timeless design. While it is 60 years old, it offers a solid and reliable driving experience. Experience this legendary T-Bird today. Check the link for further details. Here is a rare opportunity to own a 1942 Chrysler Royal, a pre-war classic that has been well preserved. This original example features a flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with a fluid drive transmission. With only 16,000 miles on the odometer, it has been sitting since 1952 and recently fired up with a fresh 6-volt battery and fuel to the carburetor. The body is remarkably straight and rust-free, and the interior remains intact. A rare piece of automotive history, this Chrysler comes with its original dealer bill of sale from 1941. More details are available at the provided link. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is a Restomod project packed with improvements. Featuring a 1966 Ford remanufactured inline-6 engine, a rebuilt head with updated valves, and an adjustable rocker arm, this Mustang runs strong. Additional enhancements include a Clifford Research exhaust manifold port divider, dual exhaust headers, MagnaFlow mufflers, and a PowerMaster performance starter. With updated brakes, shocks, and new tires, it is a solid project ready for completion. The interior is mid-restoration with added sound insulation. Priced to sell, this Mustang is a great opportunity for an enthusiast looking to complete a rewarding project. See the link for further details. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird is a stylish classic with a rebuilt motor and transmission, ensuring reliable performance. The V8 engine provides strong power, while the automatic transmission makes cruising effortless. The car features front disc brakes and a dual exhaust system, giving it an aggressive yet refined presence. Retaining its original paint, it showcases a well-preserved patina that adds to its vintage appeal. This Thunderbird is an excellent choice for those looking to own a classic with a blend of performance and nostalgic charm. Check the link for additional. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a one-owner classic with a rebuilt 350 V8 engine and turbo-hydromatic transmission. Equipped with power steering, this Nova is a solid driver that requires an exterior and interior restoration. It includes original books, a Protecto plate, and additional parts such as new quarter panels, a front grille, and footwell metal replacements. The vehicle features factory rally wheels and good mechanical components. This Nova offers a strong foundation for a restoration project, perfect for an enthusiast looking to revive an American muscle car icon. More details are available through the link. Introducing the 1979 Trans Am, a classic muscle car with a strong road presence. Powered by a V8 engine and rear-wheel drive, it delivers an engaging driving experience. The brown exterior complements its bold styling, while the automatic transmission provides smooth performance. With 139,000 miles on the odometer, this Trans Am has been a reliable driver. Some minor rust is present around the T-tops, and there is a small fuel tube leak when refueling. For those looking for a solid muscle car with character, this Trans Am presents a fantastic opportunity. Check the link for further information.